Ready?
Judge had the audacity to tell an attorney during trial when he brought up the Second Amendment during his opening statement, mind you, do not bring the Second Amendment into this courtroom. It doesn't exist here. So you can't argue Second Amendment. This is New York.
Wait, what?
Wait, what?
Ma'am, it's New York, a state in America with a constitution, not Sparta, where you can just Leonidas front kick amendments you don't like out of the Constitution.
This is Sparta!
But
Could you imagine? And yes, I'm going to go to the race here. A white judge saying the 13th Amendment does not exist in this court. Think about that. This judge said the Second Amendment does not exist in her court. What other, if we allow this to happen, what other amendments, what other rights will be allowed to be taken away from us by a judge? Because they don't agree with it, so they don't want it in their court.
this is indeed what a judge in the United States of America said to the attorney of a man who was on trial for building guns in his own home under the Constitution. That man's name is Dexter Taylor.
Yeah, okay. So some time ago, I became interested in
All right, this is going to the last show I talked about the 80% guns. It's 80% finished machining. There's still 20% machining that needs to be done on this. This is not some. Okay, I can go and buy we'll talk about AR and the lower receivers and all that. I'll order all those parts and build my own gun. Now, because I don't have the machine capability in my head, I don't have the machines to do it. So I buy the ones with the serial numbers because I need it complete. I don't have the ability. Now, this gentleman, amongst with countless people, do have the ability. Again, and I discuss, you have a fucking right to build a gun in your home. You can't sell it, and you can't take it across state lines. Period. So he's building these for his personal enjoyment.